too close to the ledge. We gon' push you forward a few steps ahead. It's that edge life. Oh, oh, gotta get it in your head, baby. Welcome to the edge life.
So let me tell y'all something. They went over there and got some doggone donuts and spent $60 on 2 dozen donuts. I mean, listen, these better be the most mouth-watering donuts ever. That's all I'm saying.
They would be here then.
No, Zoe, there might be one in here somewhere.
Go Arizona.
Man, this boy getting ready to be ready, man, when he walk through this thing. Hey, cutie patootie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What are you doing, man? Hold on. Those aren't yours. Those are for me.
No, they're not. Those are for 8.
What do you think, man?
Cool.
That's cool?
Happy birthday. Look, Ace.
Boxes. What's your head?
Got that big version. Search your fortune.
Ace.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah, you're gonna have to tump it over. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know. Oh. Monster Jam wash. Ooh, car wash. Got the car wash. All right. We gotta open one. Me, Pop, and Kai got you.
I'll open it.
Monster Truck Rockin' Raceway. Oh, they race to the finish.
You like it?
Yes.
Look at it.
Listen
Go
to these.
first.
And Bigfoot.
I'm gonna get Bigfoot out.
Yeah, look, alligators try to stop them. They race down the ramp. You wanted a ramp.
And the
Then they get car washed after they go through the race.
Megalodons.
You all said happy.
You have a megalodon in
You all
there.
said happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you. I love you. Love you.
Okay.
Give
Look at those. You got sharp teeth.
Where you going? Huh?
Like maybe like
Hey.
But that's
Da da. Say da da. Amy, can you say da da? Say da da. Say da da. Can you say da da? Da da. Can you say da da? Snake.
You read Pop said? No?
Bacon, sausage links.
Is that? Ace Cajun. It's your birthday, man. It's your birthday. Hey, question for you. You got some good stuff? Yeah. Come here? What'd you get?
This.
Yeah. What is that?
You see the shark come.
Huh?
This.
Man, what is all this stuff? You got Monster Jam?
Also.
What are those? Monster trucks?
Big grave digger.
Big grave digger? Okay. All right.
And monster shot.
Man, you got monster trucks for days.
Let's get this in.
Yeah.
Or you sitting?
You got a Fruit Loop donut?
Sit there and eat.
All right.
Open that boys.
And the football.
And a football? You got it going on, man.
Block everything some bake.
Carson,
Sausage patty,
is that my donut?
No.
No.
sausage link, or bacon.
Huh. Okay.
Bacon.
They're mine donuts.
They're whose donuts?
They're mine.
They're mine. Kill me, butterfly. I see you, girl. Stylish.
Y'all ain't getting the top good.
I know.
I think there's too much water in it.
I barely put any. This one I didn't put none. Fell over it. Watch out, Emmy.
All right. Break out. Go, break out, break out, break out. Break out. Come on, you gotta get my arm.
We're taking control of this broadcast for a very special announcement.
Ace.
And get in your chair.
Yeah, man.
Get in your chair. Hey, my name is Bradley, and I like to invest.
Go Ace. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Go Ace. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. I showed up in boots. Tire fair. The last one to know is the last one to show. I was the last one you thought you'd see there. And I saw the surprise and the fear in his eyes of champagne. Y'all know this one?
No.
But you'll never hear me complain. I got friends in low places.
In low places.
Don't mess with my children. Ready? Don't mess with my So listen, this place called the Hangout is absolutely crazy. There's a whole bunch of people in here, y'all. We can barely hear each other. I've never been to a place where you're trying to eat and you can't even hear people. It's crazy.
Dance move!
Go Ace! 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 Hey! 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 Go Ace! Hey! Go! 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 Hey! 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 Go Ace! Work it! Work it! Yeah! It's your birthday! Ace! 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 Ace!
Because we all have to wish you one huge hangout happy birthday. The way that works, I'm going to count to 3, and on 3 we are all going to yell,
Right.
scream, shout, happy birthday as loud as we can. 1, 2, 3. Great job, birthdays. Give them one more round.
You're too close to the ledge. We gon' push you forward a few steps ahead. It's that edge life. Oh, oh. Gotta get it in your head, baby. Welcome to the